Maintaining an organized and professional appearance is essential when you walk into any clinic. This storage cabinet is the perfect solution for hiding away supplies and items that need to stay out of the way, especially when your clients are right within the office. And this actually just keeps everything easily accessible for staff, but not necessarily for clients to see. This has customizable storage options. You can adjust the shelves, allowing my sister to actually fit everything from large towels to smaller treatment supplies. It has a sleek white finish and a modern panel design, so aesthetically, it actually doesn't draw a lot of crazy attention to it. This also came with some wall anchors, so for safety purposes in a busy clinic, you could actually go ahead and stabilize this to the wall if you needed to. Overall, this cabinet brings functionality and style together, solving the challenge of keeping supplies hidden yet organized in a busy office space.